Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So we have sort of stretched ourselves up into this area here, and if you look to the left, you can see there's a lot of interaction with this level, and that is 15,761. Oscillators now grouped to the upside again. Lots of gaps to the downside, very gappy moves to the upside, but we've had a solid move up, a pullback. Are we going to get the measured move? Measured move is basically from there to there. That's the flagpole, there's the flag. So you're looking for something like that. And if you look to the left, a whole lot of chaos there as well. Or are we going to get a move back down to the downside? So moving averages have not crossed over yet. So the 33 and the 66 EMA have not crossed over yet. So that is a bit of a worrying sign. And if we start going down through the levels, so if you get down to 3 hour, this week has been fairly strong, but then we've hit sort of a snag. We've hit our head against resistance. Oscillators are grouped to the upside. Every time they group to the upside, what happens? We have a pullback. So we've had a clear break of the 155 EMA here, and we had a test of it last week. So the question is, are we getting a bit of a pullback on structure? Where's the next structure? Next bit of structure is right down here at 15,600. If we start coming down to the hour, you can see yesterday was a pretty strong start, and then we sort of bumped our heads on that structure straight away. So could be a range forming here for a break to the upside. So again, 15 minutes is the way to go here. I would be waiting for a break and a hold of 15,761. So if we can get above that, so in other words, break above a comeback, test it, and then start making a high, that would be an opportunity to jump into this. Alternatively, you're looking for a pullback, and pull back onto structure, and the only bit of structure you've got is sort of down here at 15,635 and 15,600. So that's the only bit of structure that you've really got out of yesterday. And the other thing to bear in mind, sorry, that's not what we want that, is that we do have a bit of support here at 15,723. Okay, so if you're going to take a scalp to the downside, you need to wait for a break and retest of that with a stop above this level here at 15,761. Not that I'd want to be doing that, that's counter trend for me. So I'd either be looking for a pullback down into structure, and each of these tails here on the 50-minute could also offer some support, so just bear that in mind. But waiting for some structure down here to buy in, or alternatively waiting for a break of 15,761 and a retest of that for a continuation to the upside. So that's my view at the moment. We'll have to wait and see what Europe Open brings us, but that's clear range at the moment, so don't want to be trading in the range, and it's a very tight range. We'll wait for a break to the upside, or alternatively wait for a break to the downside and wait for structure down here. And if it doesn't happen in the first hour of trading on the DAX, don't even bother with it going forward in the day. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.